All right, guys, please try this next question and you can resume to look at its solution. Okay, guys, a donation box can receive only checks of 100, 250, and 500. On one good day, the donation box was found to contain 100 checks, amounting to a total sum of 15 to 50, 15,000 to 50. Then the maximum possible number of checks of 500 rupees that the donation box may have contained is. Okay, so let there be X number of 100 rupee checks, Y number of 250 rupee checks, and Z number of 500 rupee checks. The total amount you will collect is 100x plus 250y plus 500z is 15,250. Now you can continue working with big numbers. I would suggest that you reduce them. So let's cancel out 10 from all the sides, from both the sides basically, and divide by 5. So we will get 2x plus 5y plus 10z is equal to 5 3 is 15 and 5 5 is 25. Okay, so now instead of dealing with big numbers, okay, let's deal with x, y, and z here, such that x, y, and z, the sum should be 100. Okay, obviously because there are 100 checks. But now the total value should be 305. Okay, and not the big number 15250. So we ignore the big number now. Okay, so 2x plus 5y plus 10z is 305. We want to maximize the number of 500 rupee checks, or we want to maximize the value of z, right? So let's start by minimizing the value of y here. Let's take y as 1 so that we get 2x plus 5 plus 10z is 305. So 2x plus 10z is 300 is what we will get. Okay. Now, guys, z has to be definitely less than 30, because if z becomes equal to 30, in that case, 10 into 30 will be 300 automatically. But we have 2x also, right? So z has to be less than 30. Let's take the value of z as suppose 20. Okay, we know x plus y plus z is 100. So x ka value will be 80 or 79 to be precise, because we have taken y as 1 already. Okay, so if I approximately take x as 80, I will get 2 into 80 as 160 plus 10 into 20 is 200. It's still 360, more than 300, right? So I will simply take z ka value as 10, okay, and x ka value as 90. When I do that, I get 2 into 90 plus 10 into 10. 180 plus 100 is basically 280, but I need 300, right? So when I took x as 90, z as 11, okay, it does not give me the total as 300. Also, the number of checks also is greater. It's 102 now, but I want the sum to be 100. So I will compensate this by reducing the number of 100 rupee checks. That is, I will compensate by reducing the value of x. All right, suppose I reduce the value of x to 89. Then in that case, we will have 2 into 89 plus 10 into z is 300. Impossible, right? This is some number ending with basically 8. So I need some number ending with 2 here, which I won't get from 10 into z. Okay, so the only possible value I can take is the next multiple of 5. Okay, so it will be 85, right? The maximum value now I can take for x is 85. Since I have reduced the value of x by 5, okay, I can increase the value of z by 1. Okay, so it will be 12. But I observe 85 plus 12, I still have only 97 checks, or the sum needs to be 100. I have only 97. And the total also is 2 into 85 plus 10 into 12, giving me 170 plus 120 as 290 only. To get the proper sum as 300, we need 10 more. So we take y ka value as not 1, but 3. And that's how we get the sum of x, y, and z completely as 100. And the total amount is also 305. So the maximum value that z can take is 12, and this is the answer to your question. The maximum possible number of checks of 500 rupees is nothing but the maximum value I've taken for z, and that's the answer, 12. Okay, slightly tricky, but it's a very beautiful question because it makes you think. Okay, it's like a exercise for the brain. All right, and that's the answer, 12.